Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is George and this is Grow with George. If it's your first time here, I would like to extend a warm greeting to you and I hope you'll consider joining the family by subscribing below. Today I'm going to be showing you what I'm planting in March. I'm not going to be planting too many things because as you know that I'm starting off as well and I don't want to be overwhelmed with little sprouts and I don't really want to waste them. So I'm going to be showing you what few things I'm going to start in my propagator this year. So I'm going to go on a bit of a chili craze this year. I've got some RG red chili peppers, Scotch Bonnet. I found this box at B&M and I thought it's a fantastic little kit if you're just starting out. It's got everything you need to grow these peppers. So it's got some Cayenne, habanero, jalapenos, bird's eye peppers, naga and chocolate bell peppers. And this box cost £4 and I thought it was great value for money. So I'm excited to try this out. It also comes with a bag of compost, 6 biodegradable pots, 1 propagator, 6 plant markers and an instruction booklet. I am also, do you know when I said that I wasn't going to plant too many, it actually sounds like I'm planting a lot at the moment, but I think I can handle it. Thumbs up if you think I can handle it all. I'm also going to be planting some leeks. There are many ways that you can go about preparing your seeds. You can buy a seed tray or a propagator. This is the seed tray I have. As you can see, there are holes in it, and this is the propagator lid. As there are holes in the bottom of these, I'm going to cover them using a layer of cardboard. I've got an old cardboard box from some packaging and I'm just literally going to trace around the edge, drawing a nice outline of my tray. I can get 2 out of this box. And it sits nicely, blocking the holes. So there are many ways that you can prepare your seeds. You can use seed modules. It can sit in even though it's a little tight. Or if you want to be the eco-friendly way, you can reuse your toilet paper and you can just cut it. And do you know how I thought of this? So I was in Wilko's and I saw that they were selling seed tubers made out of felt, and it reminded me of toilet paper. And so I thought, wait, you could actually do this for free. So I'm gonna be using these toilet papers split in half as my seed starter trays. You can also recycle any yogurt pots, well, you don't have to go that deep. But yeah, try and yeah, okay, well, you can hole punch something else. But the idea is that you make holes so there's some sort of drainage. But I'm going to be using these toilet papers and I've pre-cut a lot of these though. I'm also going to try out this kit. The only issue with this one is that you can only put 2 of the biodegradable pots in the propagator, so maybe they want you to do it sparingly, I'm not too sure, but instead of using these, I will save these for another time. I will be using my tray to plant the seeds. Prepare your labels. I've got 2 types of labels here, and you can get set. This is my gardening spoon. Always separate your gardening tools from the tools that you eat with. That's important, okay? Look at leek seeds.
They look like duck.
Leek seeds.
Or rat food.
Oi! So as you can see, there are less toilet rolls than there were before. That's because I thought, let's be sensible and like not overwhelm myself. So I've planted 8 things. I've done 2 leeks, 2 sets of leeks. This one's Marigolds, which is a flower, and these are the rest. I'm also going to give these a good watering. Yes, I am using a measuring jug. Didn't think it would be appropriate to bring out the watering jug. And just place the lid on top, and I'll keep this in my house. And I'd also like to shout out my camera guy. You've done such a good job. Hasn't he done good? Say hello.
Hello.
Right in the microphone. I hope to hear more from you. Let me know what you are growing and let's sow together. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.